How to change a folder's color on your Mac. It's a simple way to organize your files visually and make important folders stand out instantly. So how you can do this? It's really simple. You just have to select your folder, right click on it, and then in this drop down you can see those colors. So you can choose, let's say, red, and then it's going to switch from blue to red, as you can see. Okay, so you can organize folders like this. So you can make red folders for something, blue folders for something else, and etc. So if you want to, let's say, remove the red color, you can simply hover your mouse on the red and click on the X, and it's going to turn it back to default blue color. Okay, and if you click on customize folder, you can also add like emojis on the folder like this, and you can, let's say, make it purple. So let's say I want to add this dog, so I can make folder with my dog photos. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.